for high Gyamfi news. Mema obibia akwaba. Latest hot enkwa era me de bremo na ansana ensebni nyina beba no. So when you subscribe ya bomori ase over subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fi share ma wo foforo so na when you be hwe na wo ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana memo a afi yenhwe eye ensemo a abeto yepono so inti eye sankobo ya ekoso mama yenti
se woti udin a na waje so sen President Sir Collins Adomaku Mensa MP Afijako Abre North
President Sir
Chama Wontumi
President Sir
Barbara Oten Pristia Huniveli
President Sir
Bibi Samo say we can see Adwuma ben na Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia soma mo mamo koyeye.
Come and explain.
Come and explain. Eye no correct and I say enye no correct. Make on the records because me kasa from the national radar. That's why I dare all of you. Per the information that I have intercepted. Chrese Sam Krofoya Mabubo Wondin. They have distributed ballot materials omodi be wiem ama Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. Eti enei uhu Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia nkrofo no na ati omka abano ya to awie abano ya to awie ena ahemache na na kua na ahemache me wo na menya call from Cape Coast nipa no kura no osi ayi Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia nkrofo na that vigilante for now mbe cause chaos confusion no mo de awie mu no almost see their plan and say on bedroom light. Yes, almost so doom light even 10 seconds on bet me at Gombe. Me say I'm on a frame free keteso. Or frame cross oh Frank where the me power chel. So one sorry na my nyano. Or see or mu dim komo or mo ji omwani no mu dim komo but not omu nim say. Or no so no he's just listening. Almost so Cape Coast specific. Or see Cape Coast. And I think say enye Cape Coast nkwa. But bibia wo bia almost so bedroom light. Nto bedroom light either some best ballot no, ballot box no. And I say ballot materials now mwato for Bawumia no. Omde beba begum. These are their agendas. Me say no bagawaya. So we are vigilante. We are one. Now who did this election one bro? Me say we will finish you. Because say how did I get these informations? What dear, me so ya Ken Fana, dear me sre through what I say about to do what kojina ho 24/7, no sleeping. Now nanakuya, me call the national radar so. Per the information e was no, me ba be catch bibia. Na wo Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia. When ye di obenya wie, etimu gu party no. Collins Adomaku Mensa, MP Afijako Abre North. And Chama Wontumi wo dia samachi beba nesia obekọ prison say ya pam prison atade awie wadwe money nti ena ye do kọ no upon de enam wani so nyina no wo san so dwen adwe money area bam in Kumasi oni Chama Wontumi have distributed me read the script no me we are match them have distributed ballot staffs in about 20 hotspots constituencies in Ashanti region. Obibia wutie me okra the 20 hotspot na yawo Swami constituency yawo Bantama constituency yawo very critical ya distribute ballot box staffs yeto no wadamu e dia ma Bawumia tafo pankro no Manhia North Manhia South Adanse Asokwa Afija Sechere Asante Achin Central Asante Achin South e very critical Asokwa Bosome Freho e critical Kumawu Sechere Afram Place Afijako Abre North critical Afijako Abre South critical Jo Afijako Abre North that is Collins Adomako. Yes, that is Collins Adomako. And Akiwa Mwabiaja Akiwa Mponua Ajura Sechere Dumase Nsuta ena Mampong. These are the areas here you distribute and anakuya so ko Pristia Univelia. You say one secretary ne hona materials no wo ne hona ya keep that ballot stuffing materials no. Yes, one secretary 80 this hotspot and I say every constituency dia wutie free mpanimfo a omo da party na no a omo support Bawumia no mon start and track omo fie residence mon follow omo from now till December 31st January 2026 ya distribute ballot stars no the omo two no dan mu no ya distribute Christian Valley and as Barbara Otinjesi no or also all threaten some NPP delegates omo wo Christian Valley wo sa ma me no this is your last warning mon kanchira no say me si wanya mesco nana kuya mamenko we no so they are distributing it in the other hotspots regions like Eastern region, Bono East, and 5 northern regions, and some constituencies. Yes, and these are the hot spot regions, but it is cutting across most of the constituencies. It may be fun to say all the 275 constituencies, we are not leaving any stone unturned. Na Kolensa Domako Mensa na uncle ene yes former national security boss Kandapa no kra na senya no kra media minim that is the information from the national radar PK yes Kolensa Domako Mensa wofa ene the former national security boss Kandapa and Wontumi so no odo no because of say oyenti wa han watuan krofo ka some guys and because of Kolensa Domako Mensa no what fire former national security boss no or influence on the some of the national security guys.
Yes, they are not no time on by
mo enti wafa these national security guys and I want to me so high other guys I can national security guys no and I will distribute to the ballot staffs in these constituencies. Me say so we are national security. Na ya do yes adwuma na jai ene na me no ka say me Frank me say me ma ye yiwadi I have your names me Frank me say me ma ye yiwadi ye be sakew including police officers a ye tua sika de amamo na mo ye de mo ye no me Frank me say me ma ye yiwadi try and once so obey mistake at the polling station during the election we will crash you and we will finish you ubusuani wo mu a me say 24 you are so ye be man what they should try now Kolensa Domako Mensa is it true or false come out bra na beka se enye no kore woni chama Wontumi I am daring you people come out Dr. Augustine Blay also the minim no
okay
ye flow bi say Dr. Augustine Blay on the mekase minim no anameboa I say he is using the NPP party branded and accredited social media platforms for Bawumia to make it look like this is the party line. Augustine Blay, Dr. Augustine Blay. Oh no, yasu onuna o use NPP social media platforms, accredited branded platforms. Na odi campaign or showcase Dr. Bawumia adwuma. Said the beya delegate in the NPP for the who say that is it. Then the maker on the records, the National Security Research shows that Honorable Kennedy Agyapong has won and say honorable we need this primaries automatically honor your president for 2028. And maker obi biara obeka say this NPP primaries a runoff me say obwa no runoff. Kennedy Agyapong has won it hands down. One touch. No runoff. Opa obi a wutie me. Go and inquire from the national security. Omo na omo ye research ya. Ye pure. Ye ko 2024 elections. Every research at national security ye bia. Chere say NPP luzu. Dr. Bawumia luzu. And pa so NPP luzu poto. Now, nana kuya woni bibi. NDC won a chief candidate. Dr. Bawumia to beat in 2028. NDC want a chief candidate Dr. Bawumia to beat in 2028 because they know definitely Kennedy Agyapong there. Even they NDC themselves will vote for Kennedy Agyapong.
So no fellas can almost say
and yes. Eti me say me boo be NDC want a chief candidate 2028 to beat. So do not trust any police officer Mrs. saying, do not trust any police officer, including the IGP. Yes, take it from me. I am speaking from the national intelligence. Take it from me. Never say oya wadamfo, oya side check, oya wumpana, oya wine. Me say, don't trust them. Omo chidi omo beje, and they'll sit aloof. Me say they will sit aloof and see what is going on because they want a chief candidate, and some of them want their job to be secured, want their job to be protected. I am speaking from the national security. I don't give a damn to anybody. Ghana doesn't belong to anyone. If there's a truth, I'll speak it. Now, because of that, so they have adopted what we call the EC, the police officers, including the EC officials. Nobody should trust the EC officials. Me say, when you test con guys.
And they said that they are campaign.
Yes. Now Yakofa, so the Bawumia team has adopted poster manipulation and mind games, perception driving, and fake projections by false endorsement. Tifiti sabre kui posters ready Musa Damkwa. What the beba water. And he said they are moving from Bawumia has won to run off. Abano de ebeko second round. Me say enko second round net, enko second round otchere. Ken Agyapong has won.
Hands down.
Hands down.
Clacky.
Sikana motia diama posters no. Me say omodi sikana she. Enko ba bia. Ena nanakuya by false endorsement. Say oh, yena electoral area coordinators ya endorse Dr. Bawumia. Yana constituency executives. Yenina ya endorse Dr. Bawumia. Oh, national executives ya endorse Dr. Bawumia. Until say endorsement in there, get ready. Babebri. A man for Baba endorse Dr. Bawumia. Ya juma shishe. Missy poster bia obehun wo kromu bia no. Ya juma shishe. The only accredited poster credible. From the national security. Now, once so nim. Omoya emha bonten. Oh, that say national security. We see omo said the beya omo the line to protect. Okay. Eti brebia no omo they keep it themselves. Okay. Omo keep secret by the national security, that security personnel. Okay. Na me no nyame na ehira me.
Na Mr. Fakadane said the okans are posting for bebre no. One person wants secure one job unti no. One be kan home mama Dr. Bawumia arrange na national security for there. So some secure one job. I don't know what there omo ye aduma konkon. National
security no. That be their chair say their kwaya me faso nya information we no. Nipa no Ken Agyapong ye no papa brebi.
Okay.
Enti menyi ne se Ken Agyapong kura mpo kai se wabo nipa no. Enti ose papa na Ken Agyapong e de aye no nti. Aniti na oboa me say yo. Ono so ye panyini pa. Ose nti aye nipa ba ko pe o. Nipa ba ko pe. Ose papa na Ken Agyapong aye dia ma no nti. Ti na me se woti wiase a ye papa.
Dimpa
eyesi na hunya. Na obeboa mpempem. Obi a meyi waye. Ba ku bi beyi waye ba bi a wonpo won na nwene. Minyi ni se bia o Ken Agyapong ye ne papa no nipa no kura ba be da Ken Agyapong ase wa meda na ase but enne hwe de oye ma no look at the kind of information, very valuable ones, strong ones. Kana mu shiki omo de o me yare so se be kum frankadare na me yokume ala
na Mr. Frankadane dey pa comment here say even say just NPP no akasa internal elections na mo kompo na say mo shake it Wontumi wini eti mo try bia the corruption awremu a how much more national
one like I don't we are very intelligent. That's why I'm saying me Ford no.
Yeah, because even one for NPP phone poll.
Yes.
What them say they don't want you.
Yes.
Eti who person me neutral no. Me
what to be done?
Oh, me cramp on me. Eti me.
Nana pia wonim after these fake posters na de ade na omo aye machinations ni nyina no mame mamo ensenchere ne a ebesie now why say relocation of some voting centers akaka kra bia ye ba beto aba no ye nyina ye nim say ha na ye ba beto aba na yasesa no ebesi that is the agenda ewom enti se wote se yese yasesa bia ya enka ye kwa akoto aba no de akobia ye fofora e agenda omoboa
okay
and they will do it. They don't have any tangible reason. Now, another one. Omubaye materials be mixing materials. And yamana ye de kwa koto aba from the electoral commission no. Obahe yesi ibia mixing. Yen century ni.
Oh God.
Ibia mixing. And late starting baby oba omo starting tem adwuma hyehyɛ nti o mbɛhye da dia kwase oh bia we niema we maaye nti ye twen we ya delay saa adwuma hyehyɛ omo ahye da ɛna baby nso wo hɔ ye omo declare in tem delay in declaration ɛno nso so ɛwɔ hɔ. These are the signs. It is a resource no Kweku Agyapong team no, we should be early enough to declare it because ombe yo mo adwen be sheda apebibi e de ahye ho say e because of we nesi akwan e bi kura na mo de be convince wo beti ase ba omoboa e ya low especially ewo Bawumia the strongholds Bawumia strongholds ho no e no mbe yesa eniema we because delay voting, delay relocation at the adena. Then delay no after say you receive Kweku Agyapong ni vote no. Area who say this is what Kweku Agyapong is leading no. Then now Wontumi increase Dr. Bawumia ni vote no.
Okay.
To hit the gap. So what you say?
Yeah.
Aha. Mikai boko ye man gap pa. Boko for man gap zero. Now, Greater Accra, these issues betimi akoho.
Okay.
Asante region, Bono East, Eastern region, and the 5 northern regions, and a central region. Nse omobe pick some of the thematic in Japan strongholds. No more pick some of Bawumia strongholds. Enti omo delay these strongholds na in Japan strongholds because I never man vote na dem shoot you. Na omo increase Bawumia de no e wo no ankasa the strongholds no na omo decrease because they have the data analysts and hackers on the system.
Okay.
So what you say? So we have what you call transmission of resource, very critical. So the transmission of resource no the ombe ye e bia ya to abana ken Kenya wi ai Kweku Agyapong adi nkunuma ye yudo ye mi yo. The better transmit resource into the system no na kuya e hono na ye adwuma no e hono na krono no wo he election me say nyanyankopon na beboa wo na ubenya this national intelligence na obi a osuro nyame mana akire wo musa de me akire wo mu ya na kuya
sent them please baby
na kuya sa ya twa ya se ya kwa akoto abeni ni za abatwa ya twa oh hey transmission you enter into the system no what you be your national security expert obi a security expert bia wo tie bia ni ma asem american woni mpanimfo na ya wo tie bi no o de o tie bia timi kasem bia na wono timi wo ha na wa frame Frank mesi mo follow watch na mitie wa na mitie sem na wo kala wo say o kano kure no mo akasa start na omo confess I will never and ever lie. I am speaking from intelligence. It is the transmission is very very crucial. Mama yam fear ni and building a system called booster. Bawumia and Crawford, they are building a system called booster.
Okay.
Yes. Booster said ya beya they will use it to boost their votes. Enti upon sa reggae near my bonnet no mbeye ni nyina no, then the booster no etimi boost vote na a cover up for them. Enti say omu declare Bawumia winner kra because all what they are saying is say omu be wie mu and the ombeye bia edanya case no be court e court so a enko ba bia.
Yeah, NPP for more election konachu.
Eno na mi bisa wo NPP ni a wutie me say enti sa niema we nyina Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia yi aden na national election a party ni hia tumi wan tumi anye
there be say this for so njo
eno na ka me say NDC for wa they grill them. Yes, me catch that say ye to aba no wie ayi 5 o'clock p.m. That time now I was in US because US I'm ready 8 o'clock and now almost the resource no Sunday. It's now Ghana time 12. I'm matching 12. Now NDC for quality of resource in Nigeria. Wow, I'm telling you. It's based on the major areas, you know. Though not some of the ballot who's a presidential, no, you kind and tem.
Yes.
And sana ya baba kind parliamentary, no.
Yes.
And untina NDC for no to no munya presidential na no mo de betu bra. And a doctor. Mahamadu sorry. Now afre no. Ndi e ba sa ne ma NDC for sunya kokoduro. And ya win presidential and ya parliamentary no. And ya mie so kra na ya popompo ya win.
Yeah.
And ma yakunya 88. Na wo wanya 88, alaji 38 plus 88. Now we are MP. What does the actually? Adoma Kumensa, very nice gentleman. Not the awuye, ni bisa wo dia wo ye nana kuya eti mesram Pristia Huni Valley. Yes, one secretary bi. Eti mu secretary sina omo wo Pristia Huni Valley no. Mon start entami omo. Mun follow omo fie, omo residence. Ya the ballot staffs ni bi akwa akwhye ho. Babro Tinjesi mun follow no. Ena every constituency bi a wo bia party mpanimfo na ususu se omo support Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia no. Mon start track omo. Mese mon start track omo. Ballot staffs no ye de ahyehyehye bi mu fie. Yes, that is what Bawumia is doing. Eti na kuya from the national radar no. These are the information. Eti Adomako Bafi. Sorry, Collins Adomako Mensa MP Afijakwa Abre North. Eye chama Wontumi. Ene Barbara Oten Pristia Huni Valley. Se asema amakan. Se mufi se Frank Meboa Momra Bonteng. This is an intercepted information. Minyaya from the intelligence. Eti Momra Anan somebody be court. Lawyer, say Collins Adomako Mensa or your lawyer. Oh yeah, your lawyer. Me say, Mumu bia dia de me be court to biano. Me frank, me fa lawyer da. Yes. Me per a single day. Mumu ba ko say, o mo de me be court. Na me yonko ba ko. Was oh Frank. Me srew o kaya na we use allegation. This o mo do be court. Now see you were
that they said they know what they are doing.
They know it's true. Now so I know them, they know. And me kura me pa mo so mo de me court. Me pa mo. Wuni ma me ka kire mo. Me say me pa mo. Say a single person will be a mistake. Na also de me Frank court. Ka wo hu nsema me biagu na judge no kura na ono no betena siro ono no oni me na onim judges no o hwe Ghana ha judges akese no me na omutie mi o.
Oh okay.
O hwe police, national security, all the security couples no nyina me na omutie me. Aha, because they know nsam no bi o hwa na eyo omo abufu ye omo time, but because of their position and because of their work omo ntumi nka. It is so much as I make Casa na you are one dead. Winning the lawyer, me friend was there, Frank. Oh, yeah, could have bought it. I say, what was the microphone way? I got money warm with tribute. Who bet me a come once a man? I want some bonity. I want to be Gary. I was here. Me dear, me can't rub a say. A year rade. And yamma more day. eye Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong nyame ena ebo me ho ban ena wayi wona abofo nso so de amame ena wo feed me information we are monitoring closely me say we are national security we are police officer na yado correct this election ubeje ye jai one we will finish you there so yantumi am finish you wo ho make sure say with there you are out of the game. You wadi. Mema you wadi. Me say I have your list. Unim. With there a homen ko. It's a matter of time. Mondina mo telephone numbers nyina. Me say I'll prove to all Ghanaians. I'll bring it up. With the munya bo treda munta buchuku. Mema ye mu nyina di. Mo. Mudi Bawumia chi. E ko di bone. Mo anwene o man Ghana ho. Ye ka mo se ma ye nka. Na me say me bo mpaye. Me pe position a yede be chia kromfo okurum ha me de enka me nya te se the attorney general no mo se me ye yoko boss wa na mu be condition no eno kra ye prison term be condition na kra me eno kra ye prison
afa ba bro so dem
asibe dem na okofa you one say kra ya tiso kra de about 120 million okofa na wa kromfo na so mo
na wo hwe wani ni wa chia wa buso bi ani bi wo se me bokro no
yes
e to bokro den no ye
me say na pia me ka de ato ho se me be ye OSP na so yoko boss na me chew se wo bokro no bia 1 billion ube condition no either say e be ye 1 billion and I say 2 billion and I say 3 billion take it under no way I'll give you a bail conditioner less than sikana we are. It should be equal. Bail condition must be equal or more than the money now where we are now when na wo tie me no logically say obi e beje besia wo ho now so onfa equilateral emra wo be man de eniema ne buo sua sine sikana wa ba beje no what be that but mo krono nti
and say ye tete so ma mo
pese ye tete so we are 1 billion na dia ya mano a bail condition be a best 100,000
na saska no
1 billion no
mo we are for dem on the year
crop na
wo mo so de mo hotia
ya tia na tie ye ka mo se mayenka na hwe de Bawumia ye Dr. Bawumia wo na mo ye NPP ni a wo ya na ohun ya me mobo Dr. Bawumia hwe se de na otie a oba NPP mu omo brada ene ono no so wa ba ye millionaire mo abrochirefo a mutie me say omo frem ne na akua omo ka kwanya sika omo contribute to sponsor Dr. Bawumia ne na na dada Akufo Addo na akua na ene ye yi omo ama na ene Dr. Bawumia so ye millionaire hey eti NPP fonti aduro ben pa na Dr. Bawumia dia yemo a madam nsore na moto ho ma Dr. Bawumia collapse NPP party NPP for monte eti mu hui Bawumia start by ma hu nyamo na mutua neka nyamu bottom sika na mu yima no abrochirefo adan contribution na mo ye fundraising na mo ye abrochirefo enne omo a mo ye contribution yi sika puduo edi ma omo no omo so omo wo sika sene mo na yemi sese adwuma omo ye no akatua se na ne ye de ma omo na enne wo ye party mi wo da so so Bawumia so na wo ni me de security bi ba denti a omo so Bawumia so no some of them me de ba na wo ye NPP ni a why gonna say ane ye de na ba wo se ona mase ye de man fane dada kofu ba ye na ba ko anyeye na hwan ene woni miracle sabo age Tróuble ya wakwa kodi o se Mahama enya 34% 2016 election na yes na watimia ba ye president ene se Bawumia so nya 38.2 dia that means the performance na yes renti ono so betima be president point of correction o de Mahama nya 34% say o strike percentage na so what 34% from 100% you are saying 66 so NPP na do nya 66% ana na yenye proper analysis o de yemfa na say o de say de wo ka no say Mahama nya 34%. It taking how many years? And also answer by a president.
What the all can cry.
What the all can no cry. So say we NPP in a wutimia. Dear miracles are watching Dr. like Mahamadu Bawumia for no Mahamadu 34%. 2016. And yet it taking 8 years. And we NPP near 2028. No more catch that was said. You forget it. Automatic.
Yes.
Very logical reasoning. Because Mahamadu 34%. Now it taking 8 years. Now also when you're the same percentage, why wait? Now we see the same thing. Say Mahamadu to me, to me by a president. Yamu when you're there, and the next election we should forget it.
This is do 8 years answer.
Yes, because Mahamadu percentage in 2024 was greater than Nanado's percentage in 2016.
There be any the media say Mahamadu Punanka Samokrano. We are the Mahamadu General Bawumia Campaign. Our personality is quite different.
Now Bawumia there's a Mali.
Mahamadu is very, very likable. Like easy to like him.
Yes. Now Bawumia
easy to like him.
Comedian Mali can Mali or Mali. What you say? And I hear my me say more me the heat ni be gumu so sa mo mo plus ya mo be nyinara me the beba.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.